Once again, happy morning to all. In the last video, we discussed Unit 1, basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculation. In that video, we have discussed what is the matter, what are the classification of matter. Now, we are going to see about what is atomic and molecular masses. Atomic masses. How much does an individual atom weigh? As atoms are too small with a diameter of 10 power minus 10 meter and weight approximately 10 power minus 27 kilogram. It is not possible to measure their mass directly. Hence, it is proposed to have the relative scale based on the standard atoms. So, atoms diameter பார்க்கும்போது 10 power minus 10 meter and weight பார்க்கும்போது approximate 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So, இந்த ரெண்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி we cannot be measure the mass directly. நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக மாஸ் டைரெக்டாக வந்து மெஷர் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ we need one standard atom. ஸோ அந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆட்டத்தை பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? we are introduce one relative skills. So based on the relative scale, you have to measure the atomic masses of the particular atom. Although it is possible to measure the actual mass of an atom, it is more convenient to use relative masses. The relative mass of an atom is a comparison of atom masses to the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So நம்ம இப்போ தான் சொன்னோம் அந்த டயாமீட்டர் 10 power minus 10 மீட்டரும் அதோட வெயிட் 10 power minus 27 கிலோகிராம் அந்த ரெண்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட்டை பேஸ் பண்ணி நம்மளால் மாஸ் டைரெக்டாக வந்து கால்குலேட் பண்ண முடியாது. தட்ஸ் வை யூ நீட் ஒன் ரிலேட்டிவ் ஸ்கேல். ரிலேட்டிவ் ஸ்கேல் என்ன போகிறோம்? யூ ஹேவ் டு கம்பேர் வித் த ஒன் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆட்டம். ஹியர் வி ஆர் டேக்கிங் த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆட்டம் இஸ் ஏ கார்பன் 12 ஆட்டம். இந்த கார்பன் 12 ஆட்டத்தோட கம்பேர் பண்ணி நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? ஒவ்வொரு ஆட்டத்துடைய மாஸை கால்குலேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். Carbon 12 atom is considered as standard by the IUPAC. You know IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, and its mass is fixed as 12 AMU or U. The AMU or Unified Atomic Mass Unit is defined as 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atoms in its ground state. இப்போ தான் பார்த்தோம் ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆட்டம் எடுத்துக்கு போகிறேன், கார்பன் 12 ஆட்டம் எடுத்துக்கு போகிறோம். ஏன் கார்பன் 12 எடுத்துட்டாக்கா மேக்ஸிமம் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த திங்ஸ் in around us is made by a carbon. That's why we are taking the standard atom will be a carbon 12. The carbon 12 is taken by a IUPAC. So what is the IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So என்ன பண்ணாங்க? Yes, the fixed mass is a 12 AMU. So அந்த கார்பனுடைய ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆட்டமுடைய மாஸ் என்ன பண்ணாங்க? They are fixed 12 AMU or U. What is the AMU? Is nothing but Unified Atomic Mass Unit. So the Unified Atomic Mass Unit, what is the definition for that? 1/12 of the mass of the carbon 12 atom in its ground state. That is 1 AMU or 1 U, which is equal to approximately the values are 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So this is a 1 AMU. So in this scale, the relative atomic mass is defined as the ratio of the average atomic mass to the unified mass unit. ஸோ இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் பண்ணுறாங்க. வி ஹேவ் டு கால்குலேட் த ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ். ஒவ்வொரு கால்குலேட்டருக்கும் நம்ம ஒரு கரெக்டான மாஸ் கால்குலேட் பண்ணாக்கா நீடு ரிலேட்டிவ் ஸ்கேல் தட்ஸ் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ். ஸோ த டெஃபினேஷன் ஃபார் தட் த ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் இஸ் டிஃபைன்ட் as the ratio of the atomic mass to the unified atomic mass unit. Relative atomic mass, which is equal to average of the atom divided by unified atomic mass. So this is the formula for to calculate relative atomic mass for particular atom. For example, here we will take hydrogen. So relative atomic mass of hydrogen, which is equal to average mass of hydrogen atom in kilogram divided by what is the unified atomic mass? 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27. So here what the average is nothing but 1.6736 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram divided by 1.6605 into 10 power minus 27. If I divide that, we'll get 1.0078 approximately, which is equal to 1.008 U. U is nothing but unified atomic mass. So this is the value for relative atomic mass of the hydrogen. Since most of the elements consist of isotopes that differ in mass, we use average atomic mass. Average atomic mass is defined as the average of atomic masses of all elements in their naturally occurring isotopes. The isotopes of chlorine. Now we will calculate what is the average atomic mass chlorine. First, what is the isotope? Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have different number of newtons or different number of mass numbers. Here the chlorine, it has two isotopes. One is the chlorine 37 and chlorine 35. In chlorine 35 there are 17 protons, 17 electrons and 18 neutrons. What is the abundance? 70%. For the chlorine 37, it has 17 proton, 17 electron, 20 neutrons. What is the relative abundance? 25%. There are two isotopes. In this type of cases, you have to calculate relative atomic mass. The relative atomic mass of an element is the average value of the isotopes of the element. It takes into account the percentage abundance of the isotopes. So relative atomic mass, which is equal to, so what is the abundance? 70% into 35 is the mass number plus 25% into 37 is the mass number. Finally we get 35.5. So this is the relative atomic mass of chlorine. What is the accurate value? 35.46 U. 35.5 U. Similar to relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass is defined as the ratio of mass of a molecule to the unified atomic mass unit. Relative molecular mass of any compound can be calculated by adding the relative masses of its constituent atoms. So, the molecular mass, relative molecular mass, the ratio between mass of the molecule and unified atomic mass unit. And atoms atoms molecules and the mass of the molecule divided by unified atomic mass. Suppose in case of compound, just we have to add up the masses of the constituent atoms. For example, now we'll see relative molecular mass of the hydrogen. So hydrogen molecule is consists 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 into the relative atomic mass of hydrogen atom. So 2 into, we know that what's the value of relative atomic mass of hydrogen atom? 1.008 into U. If I multiply that, we'll get 2.016 U. Now you see the second example, the relative molecular mass of the glucose. What is the molecular formula? C6H12O6. So C into 12. 12 means carbon. The atomic mass of the carbon will be 12. Plus the 12 into hydrogen plus 6 into oxygen. Now we apply the value of the mass of the value of atoms. The carbon 12, for hydrogen 1.008, for oxygen 16. If we substitute that, we will get 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1.008 plus 6 into 16. So if we multiply, we will get 72 plus 12 plus 0, 96 plus 96. So finally we add up that, we will get a 180.096 U. So this is the relative molecular mass of glucose. Now here we are given the some value of relative atomic mass of the some elements. For hydrogen 1.008, for carbon 12, for nitrogen 14, for oxygen 16, for sodium 23, for magnesium 24.3, for sulfur 32.07, for chlorine 35.45, for potassium 39.10, for calcium 40.08, for chromium 51.99, for manganese 54.94, for iron 55.85, for copper 63.55. Just you have added the U. Use the symbol of the relative atomic mass or unified atomic mass unit. Unified atomic mass unit. So based on these values, based on these values, just you have to go to you have to work out the below questions. So what are the questions are? Calculate the relative molecular mass of the following compounds. First one, ethanol, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, sucrose. Here they are given what is the molecular mass is there. Then in above they are given the order of the relative atomic mass. Just you have to add up the constituents atoms. Just you have to add up the relative masses of the constituent atoms. So this is your homework.